Guys, Nyoro Nyoro this. So today I'm gonna talk about the everyday Japanese home cooking. And related to it, I'm gonna talk about rice. So I'm gonna talk about two things today. So let's get started. So traditional Japanese home cooking includes rice and a couple of dishes such as baked fish or cooked vegetables with miso soup and some pickles. Most people eat rice as a staple food at least twice a day and use products made from soybeans such as tofu, shoyu, or miso. But today the Japanese diet is more varied than ever. It is influenced by Western, Chinese, and Indian style dishes, which are particularly popular among the younger generations and families with children. Now I'm gonna look into rice more deeply. It is said that Japanese have been producing rice for more than 2,000 years, which is incredible, I think. And it is the most important agricultural product in Japan, which accounts for about 30% of total agricultural production. Its self-sufficiency rate is nearly 100%, although 2.5 million tons of rice were urgently imported from countries such as Thailand, China, Australia, and the US. In 1993, because of an extremely cold summer which causes an unexpected shortage. Sorry, the data is quite old, but it's pretty much the same for now. And the productivity of rice farming in Japan is not very high because farms are very small. This makes the price of rice in Japan higher than that of other countries. And Japanese likes details, and even though we import some rices from Thailand, that would be cheaper than the rice in Japan. And I know that happens. It's because Japanese government is doing something good for them for protecting the Japanese rice. So I think we put a lot of taxes on the rice from overseas. I want to talk about more Japanese food, but for today I think I'm gonna finish here. Probably next time I'm gonna talk about more specific Japanese food, such as like tempura, sukiyaki, sushi, or if you have heard of shabu shabu, maybe I'm gonna talk about it. So please look forward to hearing about it soon. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I have other SNS, so please check them out. And if you can give some comments on me, I really appreciate it. I can make some videos related to your comments. And if you want to learn something from me, I'm happy to answer that. So have a great day. Bye.